Here's my wonderful bistro set I have hanging out here by the back of the house for display, but also very functional. If you want to sit here for a morning cup of coffee, you're in the shade. But I just love this little table. It is a little weathered. We've had it for about 4 years, but it just kind of sits here a display. But again, the metal, the chairs, they're so cute and very functional. Everything folds so you could put it away, but it's a nice little extra seating, ambiance, and highly sturdy. So this will weather through your seasons, and it's a great little extra delicate seating. But this here is usually out here for the summer, and it doesn't move. It stays put, and we just love the color and the sturdiness, and put it away in the winter, folds away, so it doesn't take much space. I highly recommend it. It's super cute.